Here is an urgent message for the following county: Sacramento, California. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a flash flood warning for a levee failure on the Cosumnes River in east central Sacramento County in central California until 11:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Sunday. At 11:20 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, County Dispatch reported the levees near Wilton Road and bridge on the Cosumnes River near Wilton are in a state of imminent failure, causing flash flooding of immediately surrounding areas. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding from a levee failure. Source: County Dispatch. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas near the levee break. Wilton Road includes the following streams and drainages: Cosumnes River, North Fork, Badger Creek, and Deer Creek. If you are in low-lying areas along these, you should move to higher ground immediately. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Here